In this tutorial, we'll show you how to drop a staff member in openSIS. Dropping a staff member means officially ending their association with your school within the system. This process removes them from the active staff list while preserving their records for historical reference. To begin, navigate to the Staff Info section under the Staff menu. You'll see a list of all staff members currently associated with your school. Find the staff member you wish to drop from this list and click on their name. This will open their profile page, where you can view and manage their information. On the left panel of the profile page, click on School Info. This will display the joining records for this staff member, showing their employment details with your school. Next, click the Edit Information button in the top right corner of the page. This will open the staff records in an editable format. In the specified record, enter an end date to signify the end of their employment. Once you've done that, click on Update to save the changes. You've now successfully dropped the staff member from your school's records in openSIS.